Hey Mountain Lions, we're working on iSearch, and today's learning target is to understand how to efficiently find and use a nonfiction book as an iSearch report source. So we're going to look at the first few steps of the research process: define, plan, and find. And we'll talk about the other three later, which are create, present, and reflect. So step number one is define. First, I thought about what I would like to learn about, and what I chose for a topic was spies. And then I looked at the rubric and figured out that I am responsible for foundation of the research, why I chose this topic, and what I learned. Also, a main question and thesis statement. So first I did a keywords brainstorm, and I came up with several keywords when studying about spies, and you can see them here. And my main question is how do the three major spy agencies compare? Because as you can see, the CIA, KGB, and MI6 all came up as in my initial research when I was brainstorming keywords. So step two is plan. And so what I wanted to do for my research plan is look at some academic databases and choose one that's appropriate for my topic, find some subject matter experts, and use some books. So in the find step, I'm going to use oslis.org to find those academic databases. I'm going to talk to actual humans to find a subject matter expert, and I'm going to look in the school library for books. And how I'm going to find them is by using the catalog. This is how you access the catalog from your phone, but I accessed the catalog from my computer. So these are the steps. First, I found the McDaniel High School Library by Googling, and then I clicked on Catalog and Destiny. And as you can see, there's a search field right on top, and I typed in spies just to see where I would get. So I found this book called Spies, The Secret Showdown Between America and Russia. It's right here. And then I also saw this book called Fallout, Spies, Super Bombs, and the Ultimate Cold War. But unfortunately, as you can see, that book is checked out. So I can't use that one today. But I can use the Spies book. So I needed to find the call number so I could know where it is on the shelf. And I clicked on the title, and then I found the call number here, which is 327.1273 FAV. All the books in the nonfiction section are in numerical order, so I just need to go over there to the short shelves until I find this number. Oh, I did want to mention that while I was over there, I also found this book about the CIA. So it was on the shelf next to the spies book, so I just grabbed it in case there's something good in there for me too. So now we want to talk about the table of contents. What the table of contents is a structured outline of the book's contents found at the beginning of the book, and you can get an overview of the book's organization and locate broad topics related to your research there. So you're just going to open up the front of the book and find the table of contents. I know that opening the book can be intimidating, but we're just going to look at the table of contents for a minute. That's the first page. And on the first page, I just kind of looked at the subjects that were there. And I saw this one in part one called The Double. And I was very intrigued by that. And also on the second page, I saw that there are key facts about the KGB and CIA. And also, Russian espionage since the end of the Cold War. So these things all seem like good topics for my research. Then I looked at the index, which is in the back of the book. So I'm just opening the very back. And in the back of the book, there's an index. And it's like a detailed map of the book. It lists specific terms, names, and concepts, along with the page numbers where they can be found. It's arranged alphabetically, so it allows you to search for specific keywords or topics regardless of their position in the book. And you can use it to locate specific information by keyword. So it's super helpful. I wanted to see if it had double agents, anything about double agents. So I looked under D, and lo and behold, there are things about double agents in there. The first page actually was kind of a glossary section that had information about what a double agent is. So at this point, I was thinking about my main question, and now I'm thinking I might want to change it a little bit because I'm more interested in learning about double agents than I am about comparing the three major spy agencies now. So I changed my main question to how do double agent spies shape the outcomes of geopolitical conflicts? And my related thesis statement is that double agents shape and redefine the balance of power on the global stage. So I've got all of my main requirements for my rubric here. At this point, I have decided I'm for sure going to use this book. So I'm going to share a pro tip with you. This is a picture of the copyright page. The copyright page is right in the front of the book. This is the title page, and the next page behind the title page right here is the copyright page. So my pro tip is that you should take a picture of the copyright page because now you have all the information that you need to create your works cited page or your annotated bibliography at the end of this project. The remaining research steps, create, present, and reflect, we will talk about later. But thank you so much for your attention. And if you need any more research support, please come find me or email me at nsulliva@pps.net. Thanks so much.